Spring, the season with a promise for something new. Longer days in the beginning of the warmer months. But it's not always that simple. We left the city for the coast, chasing a hint of that warmth, the pull of the surf, and a pre-summer. Out here, spring still has a mind of its own, a sense of restlessness. Roads that wind the coast, salty air and fresh snow, all in the same 24 hours. It's my favourite season, all four overlapping and fading as the other begins. Adventure isn't about the forecast, it's about showing up, even when the weather can't decide.